Next, we are going to be discuss magnetic properties. Already we discussed dielectric properties, some definitions. So similar, some difference is there here. So at that we discussed electric dipole. Positive charge and negative charge is separated by a distance that is nothing but electric dipole. Now here we are discuss magnetic dipole, means north pole and south pole are separated by a distance that is nothing but magnetic dipole. Now first, magnetic flux density. So due to compare it, you remember easily for to electrical dielectric properties and magnetic dielectric. So magnetic flux density is denoted by B. At that, electric flux density is denoted by capital D. So it is also called as magnetic induction or magnetic induction. So magnetic flux density means the magnetic lines of force passing through the unit area is nothing but magnetic induction or magnetic flux density. Electric field lines of force passing through the unit area, that is electric flux density. Magnetic flux density. Next, magnetic field intensity. Magnetic field intensity. So magnetic field intensity is denoted by letter H. So magnetic field intensity means the force experienced by unit north pole, that is nothing but magnetic field intensity. The force experienced by unit north pole, that is nothing but magnetic field intensity. Now this B is directly proportional to H. When we are removing the proportionality constant, we are getting the mu into H. Mu equals to B by H. So this mu is called permeability. So in electric we discussed permittivity. Here mu is the permeability, that is the ratio between magnetic flux density to the magnetic field intensity, that is the permeability. Now similarly here also mu, mu naught, mu r is there, epsilon naught, epsilon r in electric. Here mu, mu r, mu naught is nothing but permeability of free space. Mu r relative permeability. So mu r equals permeability of medium to the permeability of free space, mu by mu. Epsilon r equals epsilon by epsilon naught. Similarly here mu r is the relative permeability, that is the ratio between permeability of medium to the permeability of free space. So mu is equals to B by H. So definitely they are asking important. So next definition, magnetization. In the dielectrics we discussed polarization, here magnetization. Magnetization means the process of converting non-magnetic material into the magnetic material. Non-magnetic material to the magnetic material. That process is nothing but magnetization. Now here, when we are apply the magnetic field, the material is get magnetized. When we are removing, it is demagnetized. Some materials are not totally demagnetized, so that discuss later. So here we discussed magnetization. In the electricals we discussed polarization. Now how much it magnetized, how much it is polarized, that will be calculated by polarization vector P, number of molecules per unit volume into dipole moment. So that is nothing but polarization vector P. Now here, intensity of magnetization, don't confuse. Magnetic field intensity, applied field is nothing but H. Intensity of magnetization, that is M. Intensity of magnetization. Intensity of magnetization, that is denoted by letter. Intensity of magnetization means the magnetic moment per unit volume is nothing but intensity of magnetization. Means how much it magnetized, how many dipoles are formed, how much it magnetic property increase, that can be calculated by intensity of magnetization. The magnetic moment per unit volume is nothing but intensity of magnetization. Next, magnetic susceptibility. So that M is directly proportional to X. M is equals to Xi into H. Now Xi equals to M by H. Xi is equals to M by H. That is the magnetic susceptibility. Electric susceptibility also we discussed. Here it is the magnetic susceptibility. Xi equals to M by H. Now, very important relation between B, H, M. So it will ask for 2 marks and 3. Write down the BHM relation sometimes. Sometimes then what is the relation between magnetic induction, magnetic field intensity and intensity of magnetization. So we know the one relation first. B is proportional to H. B is equals to mu into H, already we know. One more formula we know, mu r equals to mu by mu naught, and mu is equals to mu r into mu naught. Now B is equals to mu r mu naught into H. Now when we are add and subtract mu naught H to above equation, mu r mu naught H plus mu naught H minus mu naught H. So B is equals to mu naught H plus this term is also here from these two equations. So mu naught H is common, so mu r minus 1. Now B is equals to mu naught H plus this total term is nothing but it is M. So due to this we are getting the M equals to H into mu r minus 1, means when we are getting how much it is magnetized we are getting. So B is equals to mu naught into H plus M. So mu naught is equals to B by H plus M. This is the BHM relation. Mu naught equals to B by M plus H or X plus H plus M. That is very important for 2 marks and 3 marks. So B is proportional to H. B equals to mu H. We know the formula. Mu r equal to mu by mu naught. Mu is equals to mu r into mu naught. And substitute here. So we are getting this one. After subtracting and adding and subtracting this, we are getting this one. And common the take one. This total term is nothing but M. Mu naught is common. H plus M. Mu naught equals to B by H plus M. And one more relation is important. Now, that is the relation between susceptibility and relative permeability. Relation between susceptibility and dialect mu r. Mu r means relative permeability. Now already we know relative permeability mu r is equals to what is the formula? Permeability of medium to the permeability of free space. Mu equals to already we know b by h. Mu naught is equals to b by m plus h. We know this. So b get cancelled. Mu r is equals to m plus h by h. So mu r equals to m by h plus 1 or 1 plus m. M by h is nothing but xi. So mu r equals to xi plus 1. Mu r equals, this is the relation between mu r is the relative permeability and xi is the susceptible. Sometimes they are, in case of naming they are asking, sometimes the termination, in terms of termination also they are asking. So very important definitions. So we discussed what is the magnetic flux density, we discussed B, and what is the magnetic field intensity, what is magnetization, next what is the intensity of magnetization, and susceptibility, and relation between BHM, and also relation between mu r and psi. So very important. So before going the magnetic properties, you know the all these terms we are using in the some properties also. Xi we are using, mu r we are using. So for that, and also in definitions 2 marks 3 marks also they are asking. So when we compare to the electric, so you can remember easily all the definitions. Electric susceptibility is there, magnetic susceptibility, magnetization, polarization, magnetic flux density, electric flux density. So all are same, just words different. Electric magnetic, okay. So thank you.